women have the same rights as men. If a man can go to school, if a boy can go to school, why can't a girl?
Malala Yusuf oo hore ugu guuleysatay bilada Nobel Prize ayaa noqotay qofka ugu daadeer ee noqday ergey nabadeed oo qaramada midoobay ka tirsan. Gabadhan oo 19 sano jir ah oo dhigata dugsiga sare deeq waxbarasho ka heshay mid ka mid ah jaamacadaha ugu sareeya dalka UK. Malala waxay shaqadeeda cusub noqonaysaa inay diiradda ku saarto waxbarashada gabdhaha.
I don't go to school, then I would be obeying my brother and my father. I would be washing clothes every day, and then I would marry, then I would be taking care of children, and my life would finish. Those people who stop us from getting education, they are afraid of educated and powerful women. There was a correspondent of BBC, and he asked my father, I want someone from Swat who can speak to me and who can tell me what's happening there. So I started blogging for BBC. I used to talk to him on phone every night. We all wanted education, but so many people were silent because they were afraid of Taliban, they were afraid of death.
Malala Yousafzai ayaa waxa hore u dhaawacay ururka Taliban oo ka soo horjeeda ololaha waxbarashada gabadha ay wado. Mar ay ka hadlaysay xafladda lagu maamuusay ayay tiri isbedelku waa inayna ku bilownaa xilliga la joogana waa inaynu ka bilownaa.
Education is the basic human right of every girl, and that no child should be denied this right. And I stand here again today and say the same thing, that education is the right of every child, and especially for girls, this right should not be neglected. If we want to go forward, we have to give education to girls. And once you educate girls, you change the whole community, you change the whole society. So I'm really honored to be getting this award. And you are the real change makers. If you do not stand up, change will not come. If you want to see your future bright, you have to start working now. You should not wait for anyone else. All leaders will keep on talking to them. They may not be listening, but what we need to ensure is that we start working on it now.
Madaxa qaramada midoobay Antonio Guterres ayaa ku tilmaamay gabadhan inay tahay muunad u taagan waxa ugu wanaagsan caalamka oo ah waxbarashada dhammaanteen.
Today, I am proud to designate you the youngest ever United Nations Messenger of Peace with a special focus on girls' education. And this is the official designation. Inspired by your dedicated service to the ideals and objectives of the United Nations, especially its vision of a life of dignity for all people, admiring of your courageous defense of the rights of all people, including women and girls, to education and equality, honoring the fact that you have shown, even in the face of grave danger, an unwavering commitment to peace, conscious of your consistent focus on the best in humankind and your resolve to foster a better world, grateful that your example has energized people of goodwill to join together in pursuit of our common values, hopeful that your principled activism will advance our shared vision of a future of justice, equity, and sustainable progress. It takes great pride and pleasure to me in proclaiming Malala Yousafzai a United Nations Messenger of Peace.
Malala Yousafzai ayaa si dirqa uga baxsatay hadda ka hor isku dil iyadoo markaasi ka timid iskuul ay dhiganaysay oo ku yaala dalka Pakistan.
So we just sat in our school bus and I asked my driver, can you do the magic tricks? And he was just hiding a stone in his hand and we had to find it. And I don't know, I just opened my eyes and I was in a hospital. I knew that I was shot and the first thing I did was I thanked God.
Macda midda ay tahay jaamacadda hadda ugu deeqda waxbarasho inkastoo ay hore u sheegtay in imtixaanka shahaadada koowaad ay u gashay jaamacadda Oxford. Xilmaamuuskan ayaa ah inay nabad sida u noqotay qaramada midoobay ayaa waxa ugu horeeyay Maxamed Cali George Clooney iyo dad kale.